Good day everyone! Today's topic is about direct, inverse, and partitive proportion. Let's try this first problem. Angela bought 2 kilograms of avocados worth 120 pesos. How much will 4 kilograms of avocado cost? In every 2 kilograms of avocado, the cost is 120 pesos. As the kilogram of avocado increases, the cost increases also. And that is an example of direct proportion. When we say direct proportion, as one quantity increases, the other quantity increases at the same rate or vice versa. Let's go back to our problem. First, let's identify the given quantity in the problem. For every 2 kilograms of avocado, the cost is 120 pesos. And for every 4 kilograms of avocado, the cost is n is the missing number. Let's find for that. Using now the column form, 2:120 is equal to 4:n, where n is our missing number. 2 times n is equal to 120 times 4. 2 times n is equal to 2n. 120 times 4 is equal to 480. Divide both sides by 2. 2n divided by 2 is n. 480 divided by 2 is 240, where 240 is the cost of 4 kilograms of avocados. Next problem. During quarantine, a stock of food for a family of 4 has enough food to eat in 12 days. If there are 6 in a family, how many days will the same amount of food last? For every person, the food will last for 12 days. And if the number of persons increases, the number of days decreases. And that is what we call inverse proportion. And when we say inverse proportion, when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases, or vice versa. Let us identify the quantity in the given problem. For every 4 persons, the food will last for 12 days. And for every 6 persons, the food will last for how many days? And that will be the missing term. Using now the column form, 4:12 is equal to 6:n. 4 times 12 is equal to 6 times n, where 4 times 12 is equal to 48, and 6 times n is equal to 6n. Divide both sides by 6. 6n divided by 6 is n. 48 divided by 6 is 8, where 8 is the number of days of food will last for 6 persons. Next problem. Lola Sally divided her farm to her granddaughters in the ratio of 6:4:2. If the total area of the farm is 240 hectares, what is the area of each one? We will divide the 240 hectares to the 3 granddaughters, considering the given ratio. And that is what we call partitive proportion. When we say partitive proportion, it is a whole is divided into parts that are proportional to the given ratio. Let's go back to our problem. The ratio of 3 granddaughters is 6:4:2. The first step is to get the sum of the ratio. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. The second step, divide the base, where the base is the total number of hectares, to the sum of the ratio, which is 12. 240 divided by 12 is 20. And then, multiply the quotient to the given ratio. 6 times 20 is equal to 120. 4 times 20 is equal to 80. And 2 times 20 is equal to 40. A total of 240 hectares.